Hello everyone, welcome to The Lift Days by Highborn, and in this talk show we will talk about everything you ever wanted to know about elevators. और आज के हमारे guest हैं architect Navjot Singh from IAM Design. So we welcome you to the show.
Thank you.
You have been working in the industry since past 20 years और आप renowned हैं अपने बैंकेट डिज़ाइंस के लिए और बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट जो कि रेजिडेंशियल और कमर्शियल एरियाज़ में आपने किए हैं. तो सर, जब हम लिफ्ट सिलेक्शन की बात करते हैं तो आप किन फैक्टर्स को ध्यान रखते हैं?
Now lift has become an integral part of your construction.
Right.
Earlier it used to be a niche product, but after we have gone into 4-story apartments or residential buildings, lift has become a very essential part of the construction. So when we look for a lift in for our projects, the main two things are the safety factor and the service factor, and the third factor is the quality of the ride. There should not be any jerks or something. Lift should be as smooth as possible. One should not feel when the lift is starting or when the lift is stopping. It should be a very good quality lift also. These are three main things.
Yes, I think these are the three main factors जो बहुत ध्यान में रखने वाले हैं. Sir, you are known for your banquet designs. आपने बहुत ही beautiful और luxurious banquets design किए हैं all over Delhi NCR. So जब हम एक banquet design करते हैं तो उसमें lift के design कितना important होता है?
A banquet is almost like a big brand. So जो lift आती है हमारी, तो lift में भी उनको उतनी important है because the lift is the first thing. Suppose you have to go from one floor to the upper floor. You have to stand in the lift. You have few minutes to yourself. उसमें आपको एक फील मिलती है कि आप जिस एरिया में जाने जा रहे हो तो यू आर गेटिंग अ फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑफ दैट प्लेस.
राइट.
सो फॉर अस हैविंग अ वेरी गुड लिफ्ट with a very good interiors is a very important part of making a banquet.
It's like first impression
of the property.
Right.
One should not feel that they are going to something which is very ordinary. So generally we have to look for a lift which gives a very good high end feel to the customer who is using
glamorous and luxurious feel to the customer. Right. So if we talk about last 5 years, Make in India, उसका जो है elevator industry पे क्या impact हुआ है?
Make in India has been a very good initiative by the government of India. Earlier, before COVID, period to get a delivery of a lift used to be 6 months to 9 months. So nowadays, in last 1 year, this has come down to 3 months.
Okay.
So earlier we used to, wait for a lift. We did not have any options. So we had to, place an order very early in the stage of the construction. So by the time the lift used to be delivered, many designs were changed. Many new lifts used to be in the market.
Okay.
So sometimes we used to feel that we are using an outdated lift. Now the lead period of 3 months is as good as getting a lift in the current stage only. So the Make in India has been a very good initiative, and because of so many big companies and even in Highborn, they have a state-of-the-art industry now, factories in India.
Right.
So we are getting lifts in very short time after placing the order.
And I think Indian manufacturers are giving competition. So आपके पास ऐसे भी project आए होंगे जहाँ पे कि pit dig करना बहुत difficult होगा. So in that cases आपके पास क्या option होती है अगर आपको building में lift लगानी है but वहाँ पे आप pit dig नहीं कर सकते?
Generally, we used to go for imported lifts for that areas. Generally होता था कि जो घर में renovation हो रही है, the customer doesn't want to go into a massive civil alterations. So used to go for a hydraulic lift. They used to be imported.
Okay.
But again, the problem was their reliability, availability of the spare parts. So that industry, did not grow much. But now we do have that option, and some homegrown companies are giving us that option, and they are very reliable, and we are using it in some of our projects also.
And I think I remember Highborn has come up with a 7.0.
Yeah, we have used it in our projects in Kalkaji.
Okay.
We already it's installed and being used, and the client is very happy about that.
Thank you so much, Navjot ji, for giving us such a wonderful information on lifts and elevators. And for more information, stay tuned.